What's going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Guys, Texas High School Bass Association is going to be at Lake Ray Roberts here pretty soon, so we're going to be planning on going out to the weigh-in, seeing how some of the anglers ended up. Of course, turnover is happening right now, so you never know what the conditions are going to be like. I do know it's going to be bright, sunny day, mild wind. It's going to be picking up just a little bit, so we're going to see how the young anglers get out there and get on some fish. You know, junk fishing can definitely play, so I'm very curious to see kind of what the weather conditions were like and how fish were setting up for them. So guys, forgot to mention, this is the North Texas Division, and this camera's getting very heavy. Got to switch hands here. North Texas Division, Metroplex was there 2 weeks ago, and we're so close to 4,000 subscribers on YouTube here. So if you aren't subscribed and you want to consider subscribing, totally free. We're posting a bunch of videos, not just reviews, but also kind of drops and stuff when we get them in of brand new tackle to the shop here. So we're getting lots of exciting stuff here this fall. Make sure to stay tuned in, hit the notification bell for video notifications, and thank you very much, guys. Let's go out there and see how the high school anglers did. What's the name of school, man?
Nate Lowry, Tomby.
Awesome. What was fishing like today?
It was rough.
It was rough?
We fished hard, but I'm surprised we didn't catch more than we did. We only got one.
Right.
So.
You focus on rock, focus on trees. What'd you focus
Fished
on?
a lot of rock. Fished a lot. Beat the bank, man.
Gotcha.
Crankbaits, spinner baits.
What was magic bait?
Caught this one with spinner bait.
Spinner bait?
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah. Awesome. Well, good job, guys.
Thank you.
My name is Harrison Olive, and I go to Boyd High School.
What was magic bait?
Twig worm and red bug.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Good job, guys.
Caleb Washko, leopard fishing, Lovejoy High School.
Awesome. How many fish you got today?
We got two, a smallmouth that's about like 2 pounds, 11 ounces, and then like a 1 pound largemouth.
What's magic bait?
Shaky head.
There you go. Good job, guys.
Cassim Joan, Decatur High School.
Cool. How was fishing today?
Pretty good. Pretty slow, but at the end we got it done.
Right. What was the magic bait?
Goon Squad, Kraken Claw.
There you go. Awesome. So you got one fish?
Yes, sir.
All right. What do you think it's going to go?
I really have no idea. Two?
2?
1.5.
There you go. Hey, it's better than nothing.
Yes,
better than nothing. Well, good job, guys.
Thank you.
Jace Fagan, Farmersville.
All right, man. What were conditions like there on the water?
It was rough for the most part of the day, and calmed down at the end.
Yeah. How many keepers you got in there?
One keeper.
One keeper. You know how much it weighs?
I do not.
Well, we're gonna find out here.
Hopefully 5.
Hopefully not.
Grayson and Karsten, Lovejoy High School.
All right. What were conditions like today?
It was cold this morning, heated up in the afternoon,
Windy.
got a little windy, yeah.
Yeah. What were the magic baits?
Drop shot.
Square bill and a big worm.
Oh, all right. How many fish you got in there?
4.
4? Let's go.
White right.
White right?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Wyatt McDormand.
How many fish you got in there?
3 fish.
What were the magic baits?
Crankbaits and Ned rigs.
Awesome.
Reese Remington from Decatur.
Awesome. What was fishing like today?
It was all right. Not too
not
good,
great.
not too bad. Yeah.
Yeah. How many keepers you got in there?
2.
What were the magic baits?
Drop shot.
Fishing like.
It was pretty hard today. We had a lot of fish that we missed, but we got 3 in the bag, so that's good. We had an amazing practice day, but it just didn't work out for us today. But
Right.
hopefully we have balance.
So, Andrew, I know you're a drop shot guy. Did you catch these on a drop shot?
Nope. Big old worm and a crankbait.
Big old worm and crankbait.
About 25 bites.
Oh man.